Hello, good day everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to solve two words problems that are related to lower grade students. And here is the first question. It reads, a ball always bounces to 3/5 of the height from which it falls. If it falls from a height of 1 meter, how high will it rise after the second bounce? You know, naturally, whenever a ball drops from a high level, it bounces back. It will continue to bounce until it reaches the minimum height. Okay, let's demonstrate. So first, this is a 1 meter. This is 1 meter. Let me label it. 1 meter. If a ball is from this maximum height and it drops down to hit the ground level, definitely it will hit back or bounce back. And as it bounces back, it will go a height of 3/5 of the original. All right, so as it bounces back, it will go 3/5 of the original, which is 1 meter. And this will give us, of its multiplication, and 3/5 multiplied by 1 is still 3/5. So we have 3/5 meter. And from that 3/5 meter, it will fall down again to bounce back. So let's assume this is what we have as 3/5. This is 3/5 meter. The ball is at this maximum level. It will drop down to hit the ground again. As well, it will bounce back to a height of what? 3/5 of this height, which is the new height, 3/5 meter. And this will give us, remember, this is multiplication. We have 9/25 meter. So in the second bounce, it will reach a height of 9/25 meter, or you can write it in decimal as 0.36 meters. So this is our solution for the first problem. Now let us move on to the second problem. All right, here is the second question. It reads, three sisters share some money. The oldest sister gets 9/11 of the money. The next girl gets 7/12 of the remainder. What fraction of the money does the youngest girl get? Okay, first of all, let's assume the total amount of money shared among them is X. So let me start sharing. Let me start with the oldest. The oldest girl or sister. She received 9/11 of the total money. 9/11 of X, because X is the total money. And remember that of is multiplication. So this is 9/11 multiplied by X. And this is 9X divided by 11. So 9X/11 is what the oldest sister received. Before finding the share of the second girl, let us find out the remainder. If she has taken this out of this, therefore we have to subtract 9X/11 from the total amount, which is X. So remainder it will be X minus 9X/11. This is equal to, we can take 11 multiplied by X. It will give us 11X. Subtract 9X. Divide by 11. And this is equal to 2X over 11. So this is the remainder. Now we can find the share of the second girl or second sister. From the question, we have learned that the second girl received 7/12 of the remainder, and this is the remainder 2x over 11. So she received 7 out of 12 of this remainder 2x over 11. Okay, from here we can perform a cancellation because 2 can go into 2 one time and 2 can go into 12 6 times. So we have 7 times x equal to 7x divided by 6 times 11 is 66. So this is the share of the second girl. And remember that she has gotten this share from the remainder, which is 2x over 11. So if we want to find what is left, we have to subtract this from the remainder. Okay, let's get the remainder. And the remainder is what the youngest girl should get. 2x over 11 minus 7x over 66. We can make the denominators the same by multiplying this by 6. We have to equally multiply the top by 6. So we have 6 multiplied by 2x divided by 6 multiplied by 11, then minus 7x over 66. 6 times 2x is 12x, and 12x minus 7x is 5x. So we have 5x out of, this is 66, this is 66. We take 1, we have 66. So this is the remainder and as well as the share of the youngest girl. But what we are asked to find is the fraction, not the share. What fraction of the money does the youngest girl get? The fraction is just the coefficient of x, which is 5 over 66. And this is our final answer. 5 over 66 is said to be the fraction of the money left, and that is said to be the fraction of the money received by the youngest girl. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.